Hello friends, Dan Carlton here, founder of the Paragraph Project and Planner U. I want to talk to you a little bit about tournament brackets and how you can use them in your next work session. So in honor of this occasion, I have my 2016 Cleveland Cavs Championship t-shirt. But the importance of tournament brackets, let me just explain it this way. A lot of times when you are doing some sort of brainstorming exercise or workshop where you're coming up with different ideas, towards the end of that, you try to do some sort of voting mechanism to figure out which ones bubble up to the top and which ones you should move forward with and that sort of thing. So the problem with that technique is that you're usually in this situation where you have, let's say you have 8 ideas, right? And pretty immediately the group starts to vote and they kind of gravitate towards the top, 2 or 3 ideas. And that's where all the conversation takes place, is on those ideas. And then the things that kind of fall below the fold there don't get any sort of attention, and there's not much scrutiny over what those ideas are and what sort of merits they might or might not have. Another approach is take those same ideas and then throw them into a tournament style bracket. So you have 1 through 8. It doesn't matter what you do in terms of like randomizing them or not, but the nice thing about this approach is that you are essentially pairing off different ideas and they're going head to head, and the group has to start to debate about which one advances to the next round. Doing it in this sort of format, make sure that each idea gets equal weight in terms of the conversation around it, and really dissecting what is working with it, what sort of potential it has. And at the end of the day, you might end up with the same winner with this approach as you would with just the standard, sticky dot voting or what have you. But you're going to have a lot more conversation and a lot more fruitful conversation, in my opinion, if you're doing like a bracket style and you're starting to pit ideas against each other and really look at the pros and cons of each on kind of an individual basis, and then gravitating or graduating those to the next level, so to speak. So that's one little technique that I had to share with you today. At the bottom of this, I have a link out to an ebook that has a handful of other methods and techniques that we use in workshops and brainstorming sessions. So feel free to click on that link and download that PDF for some more ideas just like this one. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll talk to you later.